Hey everyone, it's Grant. I'm Extempore's Community Manager. We're back with an exciting product update. One of the trickiest parts of the AP World Language Exam just got a whole lot easier for both students and teachers. Simulated conversations are now live on Extempore. Let's see how it works. First, navigate to your Add Question page when creating an assessment, set your title, and you'll notice that under Response Type we have a new option, Simulated Conversation. When you select Simulated Conversation, the directions will automatically pop up and you don't have to type it in each time. This is set every single time you choose Simulated Conversation. From there, you can scroll down and also see you can add an introduction. Here I have an introduction. You'll have a conversation with Luis about a school project. You can add the question outline that your students will follow along when they're doing the simulated conversation. And then finally, you have to add an audio file that is that simulated conversation that students will participate in. For audio files that are long and have lengthy directions in the beginning of them, you can crop them and determine when that file should start and when it should finish. On the student side, you'll see that it looks the same as any other extempore assessment. But when we dive into the question, it gets a little bit different. Here I have the description. See, this is a simulated conversation sample. Follow the outline and participate in the conversation to the best of your ability. I click in as a student. I'm prompted and saying, hey, this is a simulated conversation question. I see the time to review, not being able to replay the prompt because it's simulated conversation. And it's only a single attempt and I have to start now. I say, okay. I jump in, I can see the directions, I can see the prompts, and I can view task. And here is where that time to review starts, right? The 90 seconds I have, this is the conversation outline. And once I'm ready, I can join, I can start. 3, 2, 1, and that file will start.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Puedes ayudarme con un proyecto sobre un país hispano? No sé por dónde empezar.
There you go. Now I can start speaking Spanish or whatever language I'm in and participate in this simulated conversation and get practice and preparation for my AP assessment. For more simulated conversation practice, head on over to Extempore Commons. When you arrive at Commons, you can filter and customize the cards to find the exact assessment you're looking for. Let's find some simulated conversation practice. I can add a condition to say that the AP content is a yes value. And then I can also add another condition to say what type of AP question type is it. I can say simulated conversation, and there we go. I can see all of the AP simulated prompts and conversation prompts that we have here on Extempore Commons. Scroll down, find the one you're looking for, whether Spanish, French, any other language. Click that import button and you can add it directly to your Extempore accounts. So that's that. Simulated conversation on Extempore is here and here to make AP simulated conversation a lot easier for both teachers and students. Let us know what you think and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more of our content. See you around.